Singapore.
Hello, everybody. Again, it's Yoharto. This is from Indonesia.
Hello, 大家好.
Oh, that's great. You can speak Mandarin.
Yeah.
Today I want to invite Yoharto can talk about how the experience of to implement continuous auditing and continuous monitoring. We call it CCM project for the Indonesia customer. So what are the reason the customer will implement the CCM project?
Many reasons actually, but the main reason sometimes is to try to manage the risk and also want to control to see if there is no leaking in the company.
Yes.
I also want to check or detect is there any procedure that not really effective to implement.
Yeah.
So with continuous control, we'll provide them continuously information, result, whatever transaction that not usual.
Yeah.
It will be very fast.
Yes, that's right.
For customer to receive.
Yeah. So how those the customers will have this kind of the request need your help, because we know you are kind of many very deep the consultant service for the CCM project, especially in the SAP ERP system. So can you share with us regarding how they start point to ask you to support them to implement CCM project, especially for the SAP ERP system?
Actually, I think if we talking about the SAP, the main issue that we have is there is not enough person to understand deeply about the SAP database itself. So first thing that we need is the consultant or the one who know the database better. Even us as the consultant doesn't have very deep knowledge about it.
That's right.
So
different domain.
Correct. So even the consultant, SAP consultant, they have their own specialization. So the thing that we need to prepare is, especially for the user, they need to know what they want to find first. Is there FICO area, MM area, or HR area, something like that. So that's the first thing that they need to do. After that, they need to list down what kind of test that they want to see, because it's really depends on that test. Then we need to then after we know what is the test, then we need to find which table. Remember, if we dealing with SAP, it's not as easy as we dealing with the SQL server. There's a lot of things need approval. They have their own admin, and their consultant also very expensive.
That's right.
The key is expensive.
The key is expensive. 很贵的啦吼。
So actually for the installation itself, you just mentioned the installation. We're talking about the smart link for the Arbutus, right?
That's right.
We have two types. One is Smart Link and Smart Link Plus.
That's right.
So far that we use in Indonesia is Smart Link.
Smart Link.
Yes.
That's through. I remember that's through the IFC, the channel, right? So it's very
more comfortable compared with the Smart Link Plus, because in terms of the installation, Smart Link is easier. You doesn't know that part is already installed.
That's right.
So the thing that Smart Link Plus, we need to put agent in the server SAP, then it will take very long approval for that.
That's right.
Then that one is very Yeah, I cannot say not recommended, but it's for the company that really want to have or really want the user select the table itself, create a query, join, filter inside the SAP, and then download it to the Arbutus. Yeah, they definitely need the SmartLink Plus.
Yes, that's right.
The one that we always implement is SmartLink, as I mentioned before.
Yes, sir.
We only need few information from the admin, like instance number, IP. That's it.
Yeah.
They're using the RFC. So, yeah.
That's all.
As simple as that. So if we already put that information inside the Arbutus server i9 file, it works instantly.
All right. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So we should learn a lot from you. Yeah. So the final question, I think, I want to ask you, how do you can attract those customers like your support for the CCM project in SAP?
Like my support?
Yeah. But you are so attractive.
We are not trying to attract them. What we do is to help them.
Help them.
So any what can I say is, if you do your job with full of your heart, then it will be very what people will know it.
Yes,
that
that's
we
right.
really need. We really want to help them.
That's right.
That's the key actually.
Wow.
So when we do something for them, do with everything you had, you got.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing.
I think it's your personality. You can share your knowledge to those customers, and without any any intention, just share the knowledge and get their trust, their belief. You can help them to complete the whole project because you can control them.
If our knowledge is not for ourselves, if we anything that we can share, we share it. More people can use it. It's better for us, but better for business too, right?
Yeah, that's right. I think it is very appreciate Yoharto is quite very successful to the knowledge sharing and the professional, and grow up very fast and have ability to help the customer to complete their achieve their goal. Right? Thank you very much for your sharing.
Thank you.
Maybe our next time.
Thank you.
Online. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.